Leo and a roller. Look, here comes Leo the inquisitive truck. And this is an orange forklift. He has brought a heavy cylinder. Leo, have you brought us a new construction to play with? Let's see what Leo has in his trough. Are you going to assemble a road roller, Leo? Great! Let's begin with the biggest part. Now attach the engine. Here is a steering wheel, a control panel, and a radiator. Now the wheels. 1, 2, 'A cabin with the seat for the driver. Blue mud guards above the wheels to prevent mud from flying up. An exhaust pipe. And what do we need this orange part for? These are the lights and headlamps. Leo, do you know what this orange part is for? Have you guessed? We must attach the cylinder to it. This cylinder will make the road surface straight and smooth. Leo is going to find the cylinder now. Where can it be? Leo, search everywhere. Do you know which of these shapes looks like a cylinder? Shall we take this one? Red? That doesn't seem right. You've chosen the right one. This is a cylinder. Come on, take it with you. It's too heavy to lift. The forklift will help you. Stand still. Ready? Thank you, forklift. Let's attach the cylinder to the yellow frame. The roller is ready. Leo, you've made a new vehicle. Great job!